Good afternoon, it's Kelly from the County Brant Public Library again. Today we're going to be doing a Canadian flag. So we're getting ready for Canada Day. This would be a perfect project to do so you can stick it in your window and you'll have it from year to year. So Canadian flags are set up in sections. So you're going to measure your flag, doesn't matter what length it is, you're going to measure it and you're going to divide it into 4. Okay? So 1 here, 2 here. So that's your dimensions, okay? So it's an easy project, but it's something that you can do and have on hand from year to year. So this is, you're working with plywood, and it's going to be cut in the right size for you. It's somewhat sanded, but because it's plywood, there are little chips along the edges. So just take some sandpaper and clean up your edges. Just be careful because they do get splinters in them. Okay. So you're going to do red, white, red. This you're going to have to probably do a couple coats of white and maybe a couple coats of red as well. So that will be your flag. So the next one will be your leaf. You're going to get a stencil for the leaf. Wait until the white is thoroughly dried before you do your flag. Leaf. Sorry. So stencil. Line it up the way you think you would like it. It's a nice size. Tape it down if you want. I don't usually bother, but a lot of people like to, and it's just probably a good habit to get into. Okay, so and then you're going to do stencil. You need a little bit bigger brush than this, but this is what I've got on hand. Use a dry brush. I know any other time I always say make sure you wet your brush, but this one you're actually going to do a dry brush. So if you had a bigger brush, I would just tap it in. But because I've got this flat brush, just go from your stencil in so you don't get paint coming underneath it. Okay? So then when it's all done, you might have to do another coat because you want your flag to be nice and stark. And if you wanted to put like a varnish on it when you're done, it would actually even bring out the colors a little bit more. Because you've got a nice piece of plywood, I often will use the back for something else. Okay? Because then you can flip it over, or you can have your flag looking out, and then you can see something looking in. So be prepared for Canada Day and get your flag ready to go. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Bye.